This is section 2.4, exercise 25. Find the inverse of matrix using elementary matrices. We already know from the formula if a matrix is 2 by 2 matrix is A, B, C, D, these are entry of these matrices, then A inverse is 1 over, what is it? AD minus BC, and then DA and negative B and negative C. Okay, so that is the inverse in 2 by 2 matrices. But in this question, they asking using elementary matrices. So what that means here is if say E1A, E2, say E3, En is reduced to identity matrices, then these becomes a inverse. Okay, so that's what they mean by using these elementary matrices. So from here, a inverse is En minus 1 all the way to E2 and E1. Okay, so that's the idea here. So now let's write the A. Let's write A to Gaussian elimination. So 3, negative 2, 1, 0 starting. And then, so we're going to do what? R1 and R2, we interchange two rows. So that is 1, 0, 3, negative 2. So what is the E1? E1 is simply, interchange 0, 1 and 1, 0. Interchange two rows. And then the second operation is negative 3 R1 plus R2 goes to R2. So it is 1, 0, that's going to be negative 3, 0, and negative 2. And then the last one is divide negative 1 half R2 go to R2. So there will be 1, 0, 0, and 1. By the way, what is elementary operation involved in second operation here? So negative 3R1, R2, 2. So 0, 1, 0, and negative 3R1. And then should be 1. And the last one is E3. That is R2 to R2 basically. So 0 and negative 1 half. So what they mean here is, E3, E2, E1 times A is identity, right? So these becomes A inverse. So A inverse is, what is E3? 1, 0, 0, negative 1 half. And then E2, 1, 0, negative 3, 1. And then E1 is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Well, let's try, well, A inverse, I mean. So when you multiply these two, it is 1, 0, and this is 1, and then this should be 0. This should be 3 half. The last one is negative 1 half. And then multiply by 0, 1, 1, 0. So that is, multiply that is 0. Okay, and then it's going to be 1. It's going to be negative 1/2. It's going to be 3/2. That is a inverse. Now, so using the formula here, using this formula, let's check it. A inverse is 1 over AD minus BC. So AD is 0, subtract negative 2, and then 0 and 3 there, and then 2 and negative 1, which is 1/2, 0 to negative 1, 3, which is 0, 1, and negative 1/2, and then 3/2, right? Which is same as that one.